Hey there! Today we're diving into 5 awesome ways to stay finished in English. These words are super handy in different situations. So let's get started. First up, we've got completed. Now repeat after me. I have completed my homework. Nice job! Use completed when you're writing something formal or talking in official situations. It's like wearing a fancy suit for your words. Next, we have our everyday superstar, done. It's short, sweet, and perfect for casual chats. Try saying, I'm done with my lunch. See how easy that is? This one's your go-to for talking with friends or family. Moving on to our third word, accomplished. This one's for when you're feeling extra proud of yourself or someone else. Let's use it in a sentence. She accomplished her goals. Wow, doesn't that sound impressive? Use this when you're talking about big achievements or success stories. Now, let's get a bit more formal with concluded. Imagine you're in a big, important meeting. You might hear something like, the meeting concluded at 5 p.m. This word is perfect for those professional moments, like presentations or reports. Last but not least, we have a fun, casual phrase, wrapped up. It's like giving your finished task a big hug. Try saying, we wrapped up the project yesterday. This one's great for those laid-back work conversations or when you're chatting with your colleagues. All right, everyone, it's your turn to shine. Pause the video and try filling in these blanks. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Don't worry if you missed a few. Practice makes perfect. Remember, the key to mastering these words is using them in your everyday life. Try slipping them into your conversations or writing. The more you use them, the easier it will be to remember which one fits best in different situations. Here's a fun challenge for you. Try using each of these words at least once today. Maybe you can say you've completed your homework or you're done with your chores. If you finish a big project, tell someone you've accomplished it. When your online class ends, you can say it concluded. And at the end of the day, you can tell your family you've wrapped up all your tasks. Learning new words can be tricky, but you're doing amazing. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these words like a pro. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. Before we wrap up, see what I did there? Let's do a quick recap. We learned completed for formal situations, done for everyday use, accomplished for achievements, concluded for formal endings, and wrapped up for casual work talk. All right, everyone, you've got this. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep expanding your English vocabulary. Remember, every new word you learn is a step towards becoming a language superstar. Thanks for joining me today on this language adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you found this helpful. And hey, let me know in the comments which of these words you're going to use first. Until next time, keep learning and have fun with English. You're all doing great. Bye for now.